Hello, I thought I would just show you a quick walkthrough of how to go in and look at your accounts and see what everything you've spent and how much money you have left in all of your accounts. It's like an account check. So the first thing you do is you log into Escape, then you go to Finance, then you go to Fiscal, and then you go to Accounts, and you're going to get a search criteria box and you have to put in the resource, which would be the name of your account. So I have two different accounts, one for library books and one for Lost Book Money. So I'm going to choose Lost Book Money. And then on location, I have two codes here, and the one that actually brings my account up is the second one that ends in 6. So I'm not sure if the other sites do that. And then the third thing, of course, is the fiscal year, which should already be filled in. Then you click the go button, and I'm going to get a list of all my Lost Book Money. And there, notice there's some variations here, but they all are coded under Lost Books, which is 9,500. And so I get a summary. I get what I currently have in the account, how much is currently encumbered, how much I've already spent, and then how much was in the account to begin with for the year. If I double click on the account code, then I'm going to get a report that I can print out that goes into detail, line by line, every single RQ that or PO that I had spent, what I spent it on, how much was encumbered, how much was paid, and so on. So that is a great resource. Let me show you the other account right here. So if I go back to resource, I go from Lost Books to library site discretionary funds, click go. And again, I get all of my library accounts. That includes my materials account. And I can open that up again and look at every single RQ and PO that I spent, the encumbrance, and what the current balances are. So hopefully this will help all of you keep track, make it easy for you to keep track of your accounts and where each of your accounts are. I was trying to spend every dollar I could. I also have a printout, like step-by-step instructions on how to do that, that I'm going to attach to the email that I send them with this. So again, my contact at the district office is Deborah Irvin, Ervin, and she was the one who trained me on Escape, and she's always happy to help me when I forget how to do stuff in here. So she's definitely a great resource for help. I hope this helps everyone.